There's a certain sound that happens when an RV show season kicks off. It's not engines, it's not generators, it's the collective sound of wanderers comparing notes, pointing at rigs, and saying, well, now that's interesting. And if there's one place where that sound gets loud every January, it's Tampa.
The road and I have been like brothers with all the miles and time we spent together. Yeah, we've seen it all. We've both seen changes in our time, busted dreams and detour signs. We keep rolling on. Brother Highway, we've seen it all.
Welcome back, friends, to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life Podcast. I'm Stan, and this is the place where we trade polished marketing slogans for real stories from the road, lessons learned the hard way, and the kind of knowledge that keeps your rig rolling smooth instead of rolling sideways. Today's episode is a preview of one of the biggest RV gatherings of the year, the Tampa RV Super Show. The Tampa RV Super Show runs January 14th through January 18th, 2026 at the Florida State Fairgrounds. If you've never been, picture this: acres of motorhomes, towables, vendors, seminars, and enough walking to make you thankful you brought your Skechers. And this year, the Wandering Gypsy RV Life will be there in person. I'll be representing TechnoRV in one of their booths, talking systems, power, connectivity, and all the things that keep Birdie B happy and healthy on the road. I'll also have copies of my Rolling Smooth Real Lessons from the Road book series available, which means if you've ever wanted to talk RV life face to face instead of through a screen, this is your chance. Now, let me say this clearly because it matters. The rigs are impressive, the gadgets are shiny, but the real value of the Tampa RV Super Show is education. If you've followed the Wandering Gypsy RV Life for any length of time, you know education is the foundation of everything I do. Not fear, not hype. Education. Because understanding your RV systems is the difference between enjoying the road and dreading that next stop. At the show, take advantage of the seminars. Learn how your water system works. Understand black and gray tanks. Get clarity on propane, inverters, converters, air conditioners, and power management. These seminars aren't fluff. They're the kind of knowledge that prevents mistakes and saves money. Lower stress when something inevitably goes sideways at a campground. Been there, done that. Every year, Tampa is where manufacturers roll out what's new for the coming season. And if it's made for an RV or installed in one, you'll find it there. One of the upgrades you'll hear me talking about is our newest addition to Birdie B, the Hughes Auto Formers 50 amp power center. It protects against surges, brownouts, high voltage, and dirty power. The kind of stuff you don't see coming until it's already caused a lot of damage. Clean power isn't flashy, but it is foundational. And this is exactly the type of upgrade that aligns with the rolling smooth mindset. Prevent problems instead of reacting to them. Another reason I love rallies like Tampa is access. You'll find influencer meet and greets, sure. But more importantly, you'll find manufacturers, engineers, and installers who actually know their products. Many aftermarket companies bring technicians with them. Companies like MicroAir often offer on-site installation. Shade Pro is another example of vendors who bring real solutions, not just brochures. And here's something people overlook. Rallies are a great place to get problems resolved. I've been dealing with a stubborn shower drain issue, and having an RV technician address it before or during a rally is a huge advantage. You're already there. The expertise is already there. That alone can justify the trip. A quick pro tip. The Florida RV Trade Association offers a mobile app specifically for the Tampa RV Super Show. Download it. It's your best resource for schedules, seminar times, vendor locations, and planning your days so you're not wandering aimlessly by day 2, wondering how you missed half the things you wanted to see. A little planning makes the whole experience a lot smoother. So why do I keep attending RV rallies like Tampa? Because every time I learn something new. Because I get to see what's coming before it hits campgrounds nationwide. Because I get to talk with people who are either just starting their RV journey or are decades into it and still learning. And because this lifestyle works best when knowledge is shared. If you're coming to the Tampa RV Super Show this year, make education your priority. Stop by the TechnoRV booth. Say hello, ask questions, kick tires, sit in seminars, and take home more than just brochures. You'll take home confidence. As always, you can find more at wanderinggypsyrvlife.com, and I'll be sharing updates from the show as we get closer. Until next time, keep it rolling smooth, and I'll see you down the road, maybe even in Tampa.
Brother Highway, we've seen it all. Through the wind and the rain and the snowfall. And no matter how far out I roam, I need you, brother, to get me home.